2019 BMW X5 5.0 M package. Really beautiful car, 5.0 beast. Look at this thing. It is beautiful. As you guys can see from the scrap, we took the muffler off, took the resonator off, and replaced it. 3-inch pipe there all the way, and then there's this beautiful new X pipe we just put in right there. Then ran 3-inch pipe, continued the 3-inch pipe, and did a muffler delete there and there with 3-inch pipe instead of that gigantic muffler that you guys see right there. So we took that thing off and replaced it. Now it's a lot better. Also, we zip tied the valves come on it here and here, usually on one of the mufflers necks, because it comes out dual tips out the back. They're built into the bumper, but one of them has valves on it, so when it gets into an M package or a high volume, it opens up. We just cut them and zip tied them away there and there. So they do what they think they're doing, but they're not doing anything. And there it is. That's what it looks like out the back. So it's got built-in tips into the bumper. You guys can see there. Over time, that pipe will turn a little bit black and you can't see it no more. That's how you muffler delete these and resonator delete these and add an X pipe. Always add an X pipe on these. It just gives it a really, really nice tone. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. Look at our face. Is it okay if you're on camera? Yeah? Give me gas. All right. Go ahead. What do you guys think? That's a mean sounding BMW right there. Go ahead and back it up. Beautiful car. That sounds so good. What do you guys think in the comments? Let us know. We'd like to know what you guys are thinking. That sounds so good. We'll let you guys hear on the inside. BMW X5 5.0 M. Beautiful, sexy white, pearl white. I like that. I like it with the blue accent lights. It's so sexy. Europeans know how to do their cars. Traffic. Wow, look at that thing fly. Enjoy, guys.